What we doing? What is we doing?
First of all, you forgot to do the intro.
It's your channel. This is your intro.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Iamchanicmarie Glow back with another video. As we always say, each and every time we post a video, one is my anyways, y'all see the bun? It's bunning. It's bunning. It's my anywho, get back to the video. Today. I feel like I'm still into my intro.
What we got for today? Sorry, what we got for today?
Y'all see the trend?
What we got for today?
All right, so we got
Skittles, cotton candy.
Yeah.
She just...
I'm extra, y'all. I'm extra. I don't care.
All right, let's cut it open. This is what it look like in the
Oh,
bag.
let me go get my. Hold on.
This is what it look like in the bag. All right, she had to put on her lipstick.
My lips really that big?
She had to put on her lipstick. All right, this is what it look like in the bag. You know. Yeah.
Okay.
It look like. It smell like. Yeah. Okay. Let's just hop right there. And we trying it.
It stinks.
Huh?
It's cherry. Or whatever it is. I don't like it.
Oh hell no!
So what? Ooh, the other thing looks like.
What are these? These are blue raspberry jellies. But
all right. Trying to dig right in.
Oh!
Oops. Cut your little off.
let me do it.
All right.
Oh my God!
Okay.
You had to.
Oh God, you just got swallow it. Like.
Wait. All right.
I'm done. He was so impressed to eat this one because of the pickle.
Anyway. To the ratings. What'd you give this?
It tastes like Jello. So,
Oh. I wonder why.
I give it a that was actually good. I would give that a good 7.
I agree with that.
Yeah. Well, y'all, that was it for the Skittles cotton candy and the blue raspberry jelly. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe each and every time I post a video, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified every time we post a video. Okay? And it's your girl Iamchanicmarie Glow logging out on it. Peace.